Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. This car's finished with the 396, 375 horse, power steering, power disc brakes, vintage air, and absolutely gorgeous. It's finished in red with red premium interior, brand new wheels and tires, Crager SS's. Really looks good. And if you have any questions about this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. Like I said, this car is finished in beautiful red with those beautiful Cragers. It is an RS SS. Hideaway headlights. Really looks good. It does have the 396, 375 horse. Does have a 700 R4 automatic transmission in it. Doesn't get much nicer than this car right here. We'll take a look at it. Take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interior's finished beautifully. Really looks good. It's got all the gauges. It's got tilt wheel, vintage air. Really nice and clean. Looks good. Headliner's in great shape. All the doors look good. It's a really nice car. Shut the door here. Take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk, it's got the spare tire and jack equipment. Really nice. Really looks good. This car is equipped with electric headlights on it as well. Electric RS headlights, but really looks good. So, shut the trunk here. We're going to start it up, see how it sounds. Just a super nice car. Paint and body work is excellent on the car. Really looks good. Show you the driver's side. Said it does have the premium interior, tilt wheel. It does have the in-dash tack with the clock. It does have the gauges in the console. Radio, vintage air. Like I said, premium seats, premium interior. Really looks good. Doesn't get much nicer than this. Shut the door here. Take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood is powered by 396, 375 horse, power steering, power disc brakes, vintage air. It's got the pulley belt drive system. It does have coilovers on this car as well with frame connectors. And I can't wait for you to see the underneath on the car. Make sure you stay tuned for that because this car is a rock star underneath. I'll show you the trim tag here. You can pause the video right there. You can take a look at that trim tag. It'll show you that it was a red car out of the factory. So, shut the hood here. We'll take one more quick look at the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS for a test drive. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. Let me show you all the air working. Air blows out the vents great. Really does good, nice and cold. Show you the tag working there. All the lights working. So. We're going to take it for a drive and see how it does. Right, here we go. Car really runs and drives great. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. Really, really nice. Turn around and head back here. Like I said, the car really does good. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Doesn't rattle or shake. And really, really does good. Like I said, brand new wheels and tires. This car does have a 700R4 transmission. And it's got the overdrive. And we'll show you what it's made of here in just a second. But here we go. Really does good. It's got lots of power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Really the only thing you have to do with this car is just get you a big shelf for all the trophies that you'd win at all the car shows. So we are almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page, helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, give us a call, 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.